Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted Telegram calls history. If you want to recover or restore your all deleted Telegram audio and video calls history, so let's see how to do that. So first of all, I can delete some Telegram calls history and then right top corner and then delete chat and then choose delete chat. You can see in this time I can delete some Telegram calls history, but I can easily recover or restore my all deleted Telegram calls history. So let's see how to do that. Minimize it and go to my Google Play Store. Google Play Store, open it. All deleted messages recovery. Please install this app. After install this app and then open it. And in this time you can choose and open Telegram. And in this area you can see my all deleted Telegram calls history recover or restore in this here. And then open it. You can see my all deleted Telegram audio and video calls history in this here. And then go back. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted Telegram calls history. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.